Hey, I'm about to swipe the banger right now, bro. Hey, bro, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. No, I apologize, bro. I'ma get it. I apologize. Good morning, team. Running up. What's popping? You already know. We about to run it up today, yo. Hey, yo, I'm about to turn on my bot. Straight up, yo. Listen, I know a lot of y'all been knowing about this for a long time. Like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Tavar and his bot. You know what I mean? Look, at the end of this video, I'm gonna explain it all. For real. Like, all jokes aside, for those of y'all that watch this whole video, I don't even care. I don't even care no more. I got a special treat for y'all at the end of this video. I'm gonna show y'all something about a bot, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how we like take advantage of this whole thing. I'm gonna show y'all, so just stick around to the end. Maybe some of y'all might hate me for this. Maybe some of y'all might love me for this, but I'm gonna give it to y'all right now for free. So stick around, watch the whole video. Watch the whole video. I got you, I'm serious. I got all of y'all watching the video. I got you. Watch this, you know what I'm saying? Watch this, let's get it. We turning on the bot today. He knows about my bot. We turning on the bot, just watch. All right, fam, so we just swiped at 27. It's not something, ain't that great. Really, it ain't that great, but yeah, $27, 50 items, 50 right? Yeah, 50 items, but it's only two miles, 2 or 3 miles, I think it said 2.3 or 3.2, something like that. I don't know, one of those, so it's not that far. It's a double batch though. 50 items, $27. Yeah, so let's not waste time. Let's go in here and crush it. Let's get it. They weren't showing the greatest batches, so we just took whatever, right? Turn on that bot and just take something quick. So this is what it is. Low miles. Remember, items over miles all day. Because you can control the speed of shopping, kinda, if you're good at your store. But you can't really control the miles unless you want to get a speeding ticket. And just like that, it's a wrap. Let's deliver. I just missed a 25 delivery only. Look at Bella, she's parking right next to me. Look at her bird doo-doo car. Ew, you got doo-doo on your car. Ew, you got doo-doo on your car. You just rolled the doo-doo down inside your car. It's smushed up in your, you just look, oh, you just rolled the doo-doo in your, ew. Oh, yo, okay, so team, run it up, check this out. So, I'm mad right now, I'm mad because I missed a 127 at the Costco drop. I know exactly who got it, but she was at the drop. She was sitting there camping Costco. I wasn't nowhere near Costco, and that's why I missed it. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna let you have that one. You know who you are. I'm gonna let you have that one, but you ain't gonna get it next time. Let's get it. We just swiped a $40 Costco. How many items is that? $40 Costco, I think it was 12 items, yeah. $40 Costco, 12 items, and I think it was like 8 miles or something like that. So that's easy. That's lovely right there. So I'm not tripping off the 127. Maybe the 127 had a lot more items, who knows, because you know no one really checks those orders. We all just blind swipe those orders. So I don't know how many items or how many miles that 127 was. So whatever. It is what it is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's get it. Let's go. Piece of cake. Oh my goodness, this is so easy. I need these type of orders all day. Only problem is they're both apartments, and I got 2 waters for one and 1 little baby water for the other one. Look at Bella, look at Bella. My 40's easier than yours. That's a lot. Yeah, go ahead. She got a 47. $7 more, but like 30 more items. Woo! Oh yeah, and like 20 more minutes delivery. Yeah. Have fun with that one. All right, we made it, but we gotta go to the floor. I ain't playing no games. You see how I pulled in? Right here. Let's get it. All right, what's up, fam? So I'm in the bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, my stomach was playing games. my stomach was playing games, so we had to fix that. But I'm telling you, swipe batches all the time when you on the toilet. So I got a 37, 13 minutes away. Let's go crush it. Hey, what's good, fam? So we in the car right now delivering another order. Yes. I got back. I couldn't find my camera. I was like, yo, where's my camera? Couldn't find it, but then my dumb behind found it under the daggone seat. But anyways, I did a whole order, right? So we delivering right now a 49. That might go up. I had to refund one thing, but then the customer added something else. So I don't know. That's a gray area. I don't know if it's gonna go up, if it's gonna go down, if it's gonna stay the same, because she added one thing and I had to refund one thing. Who knows? I don't know. But anyways, we on our way right now to deliver. You know what I'm saying? And then we gonna get another banger right after this. You already know what it is. Team, run it up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, my boy just got a crazy delivery only. How much?
70.
70 delivery only, man. Oh, you're killing it. You're crushing it. You're crushing it. But I got a 50 Costco. I got a 50 Costco just now. So, hey, I'm about to go crush this, brother. Yeah, fam, I just swiped a $50 Costco, right? So that's gonna put me at like $230, I think, for the day, something like that. Something like that. You know what I mean? Did I hit your cart? Did I hit your? Oh no, I didn't hit his cart. I thought I hit his cart. Let's get it. Team, run it up. We running it up today. You already know. Woo! Talk about a 50. Gee, they got a lot of units. 10 strawberries, 12 breads, 8 cheese. Come on, all the eggs. Let's get it though. Let's get it though. Light work. Light work. Let's get it. Team, run it up. All right, fam. So we back home right now, and I'm gonna give it to y'all. I'm telling them the truth, yo. Bella thinks I'm gonna get banned.
You're about to get banned.
You see what I'm saying? Like, she thinks I'm gonna get banned, but at this point, I might. For all the haters out there, I mean, go ahead and snitch on me. Y'all can snitch on me now. I got a bot. All right, so today was a light day because we had stuff to do. We got stuff to do. You see Bella's cooking a cauliflower pizza, that keto pizza, the cauliflower crust pizza, homemade from scratch. You know what I'm saying? But hey, that's not about that. It's not about that. Y'all want to see the bot? I'm gonna show y'all the bot. I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. I'm gonna show y'all how I turn on my bot. And this is what it is. Bella has it too. You know, you have it too. I'm not gonna lie. Bella has it too. It is what it is. For all of y'all out there that thought I had a bot, you're correct. Here it is. I'm gonna show y'all. Say hello to my little friend. Look at that bot. You can't. Look at that. Look at that bot. Look at that bot. That's automatic swipe right there. Automatic. Y'all can't swipe faster than this bot. I told y'all, get up, bot. Y'all can't beat this bot. I told y'all I got a bot. It's right here. Hey, look, Instacart, don't deactivate me. I know, I'm using a bot. I got a bot. It's right here. I got a bot. Don't deactivate me, Instacart. I'm sorry. Team, run it up. Let's get it.